Hi everyone, my name is Neha and I am a YouTuber and just I am learning English and I am practicing with you people as usually, but I thought we have to discuss of any topics. We can express our thinking, express our views, whatever we're thinking of any topics and discussion topics. So here I brought um, roles. I brought a topic on the discussion of role of mobiles in our English journey, in our learning English journey, we can say. Okay, so guys, today I'm going to express my views on the benefits and demerits of mobile phones while we speaking and while we reading something, while we learning English as well, right? So, friends, English speaking is just a communications, and every communications nowadays we can go through by a just mobile. Everyone knows that. So, role of mobile in our learning of speaking English journey is very vital. It means mobile plays a very vital role in our learning English journey. Okay, a lot of things we can use mobiles in every contents, in every vocabs, in every things whatever we are using in learning English. Like for example, when we have to when we want to read any contents, any newspaper, so you can use your phone and you can search on Google and what topics I have to read, in what topics I have to clear. So no need to purchase newspaper from the outside, because when you go to outside to purchase any newspaper in any books for reading, so you have to manage extra time, you have to give extra times, and due to this we can you can divert your mind. So if you want to become the best version of yourself, so you should use the new technology, you should use the new techniques, I think so. So like if you want to read anything, so you can use your mobile, but not be habitual and not need to addicted of the mobile, right? If you use your mobiles as on the usable things, as or any genuine, I mean so actual way, so you can go through a very good way. Secondary, and we can use mobile in a listening also, reading as well as English listening also. Not need to you should listen any like radio, TVs, LEDs. Not need to operate such things. You just open your mobile phones and you can start any listening any podcast, start to any video on YouTube and any other apps also. Because when you have a mobile, then you can operate mobile to learning English in anywhere, like your room, outside, park, any traveling, any convenience. When you are traveling somewhere, if you are in a auto, if you are in a market, so you can use mobiles anywhere. So I think so, mobile is also play a very vital role in the speaking parts, right? And speaking is very important. uh, uh, Speaking is very important part of learning English, because if you are if you want to learn English, spoken English especially, so you have to speak must, you have to might be speak uh, in daily basis, in every day. So how can it possible? Because if everyone being a Indian, be a Indian, and everyone lives in a native places, we are not lives in a We are not living in a foreign America, London, like this. So we are just living in India. And in India there is so many languages, right? Everyone lives in our native places, so speaks everyone so many native language as well. So as you know, if we speak a native language, so we it's very tough and difficult to keeps in mind, thinking in mind of English in a English language, because though it's little bit tough, but we can do thinking in English in our English language, and speaking while speaking of our native language something different, so it's take time. So if you have a mobile, then you can connect to other peoples, like what peoples wants to learn English, those who wants to curious about learning English. And that people's like so many apps available also have a phone, as Fluency, Clapping Go, and Joe's Talks, Tech Now, Speak Pulse, CV app, a lots of uh, apps available on the Play Store, and you can practice on that apps by, and you can also be connect to other people's a lot of websites, and lot of facilities available on your mobiles, by which you can connect to other people and you can practice to other. So such kind of things just we can follow just by our mobiles. So uh, it's very important part of uh, learning English, uh, speaking. And speaking just most of the time we can speak with our mobiles, because in our area aura, in which aura we lives and which scenario we lives, nobody nobody will support us. Our family member, our neighbors, and our some other relatives, some other anyone no can will support you, because your dreams, your goal is different, and their that person goal is different. They don't want to value of English, they don't want to value of skill education, some in-laws, some mother fathers also, they wants to that you have to learn in this language, and you should learn any skills also. But don't they don't speak with you, they don't do that work with you, because they don't have a skill, they don't want to use your mind on that work. So just you have an option of mobile and laptops also. But specification of mobile is that you can carry everywhere. When you are going to, as I told you, you can go to market and traveling and anywhere in a at home, you can use mobile. So sometimes we know we should not use mobile in the other things. For example, we are listening any podcast, you are listening any, watching any videos on YouTube. So after it means using having a using a phone, you are scrolling your reels and scrolling your other content, and not, you don't should like this, you don't do like this, because if you're doing such kind of things, then you can be a divert. So, first of all, you should be a calm, you should be comfort. If you are going to learn anything, any videos, if you are watching any contents on the YouTube, you should be calm, full conscious about that. You should comfort, you have to feel comfort of those topic. You are try to understanding that what I am listening. Don't think that what she is doing I don't understand. Not need to not think like this, I'm not understandable that, just listening. If you are practicing of listening practice, doesn't matter, you are not getting and you are not understanding anything, just you have to listening, just you have to listen. If you makes your habits of listening, automatically one day you will start of understanding. Got my points? It's very very important points that if you start listening anything, but you have to listen easy things, easy podcast, easy, you have to watch a very easy video on the YouTube, by which you can, you have just start any video and listening. In When you, while you are listening, then sometimes you feel bored, and you will be you would like feel yawn and feelings boring, feeling sleepy. I can understand, because it's not a interesting process, but you want, you are very passionate about it, you will be, if you are a passionate about English, you want to learn English, then you should have to very uh, passionate, fascinated for this. So you have to listening by this point. It's also very vital role play by mobile in the English journey. Okay, and fourth one is that we have, I think, complete of listening, reading, and writing is not important for just co-learners, just for speaking learners, those people who wants to learn just speaking, just spoken English. So doesn't not a lot of matters, and doesn't not need to do a practice in starting base. When you will learn speak very well in English, then you can start your writing section also. But in initial stage, you don't need to writing practice to do writing. So there is we can use very less use of mobile in listening, writing parts. But sometimes you use your notepad of your mobile. Such kind of things you can use in mobile, but not vital roles playing in mobile. But you can use sometime WhatsApp chatting, send me message to yourself, such kind of things you can using for writing. And fourth one is reading, writing, listening, and I will say thinking. Thinking in each English is also important, because we speaks in native language. And when speaks in native language, then automatically everything uh, we think in Hindi and in all native language. For example, if you speak any Bhojpuri, for example, Hindi language, then automatically we think in English. We think in Hindi and your our native language. It's of course happened, but we bilaterally, by initially stage, in starting way, we have to just start little things in English. We have to start just, for example, I am speaking right now, and I got fumble and stuck a lot of points, and I also made a mistakes, maybe some in a use of making sense, sentence structure. Okay, so while I am speaking, then I should think like this: what I have to say to you, role of mobiles in our English journey. So such kind of things when I am thinking, so this also have to thinking after this in usual life, in every day, in your daily life, you have to try just thinking in everyday life, like when you are going to travel. So I can I can think like this ki, I am going to traveling, and I have to purchase the thing, I have to buy some home kitchens things, I have to some parlor, some tailor, uh, some friends homes also. Such kind of things you can think, you have to uh, such kind of things you can thinking. And when you think like this, then you can start your thinking process. When you such kind of thinkings, you can start your thinking process. And thinking in English is also, I mean to say ki, mobiles also play a roles in thinking, but not too much. because in English is very important. Mobile is very important to learning English, but thinking and writing part is that whenever not needs too much requirement of mobiles. Are getting my point? This is my thinking that, but nowadays mobile is very essential part of life also, but we should know, okay, how we have to use, where we have to use of mobiles, how we have to use of mobiles. So sometimes uh, we use mobile for just time pass, sometimes we use of like scrolling of rolls, scrolling of any videos. And no, if we have a clear goal, we have a we set our goals very clearly, and we are too much curious about that, we are conscious about that our goals. So just we used to our mobile in just for a good thing, just for a listening, learning, everything, observing, watching, thinking, such kind of things we have to do by mobile, and we should such kind of things on day every day. And I think so this according to my point of view, according to my thoughts, it was a very this is all important roles in mobile. And I don't know ki what how much points I whatever I give you it's better, but I think so. I oh, I said about the importance of mobile, because as much as mobile is good, as much as mobile is also bad, but we should we have we should have a knowledge how we have to use mobile, and in a good way, in a bad way. So such kind of thinking if you apply in a daily basis, then one day we can achieve our goals, and soon as possible we can achieve our goal very soon if we are consistent, if you do practice with mobile, and we can record video, and you can observe what I am saying, and such kind of things if we are doing every day, then one day we can achieve learning of English goal with this mobile, and with every mobile, I will say. So thank you everyone, and thank you so much for this giving this message of roles of mobile. And if you are like my video, then you can likes my video, you can subscribe my video if you want. It's not, I'm not a, I will say a forcefully, you not need to subscribe my channel forcefully, but if you like, then you can motivate me, you can support me, and we need to support everyone in each other. I will support you, you will support me, then we can get a better result. Until then, thank you so much everyone, have a nice day.